Let's start this match in 3, 2, 1, charge.
And we're off in match number 50. Thank you, Monish, for taking over while I stepped out, and Kyle, while I stepped out for a moment. All right, we're underway in autonomous as the Gwinnett robotics team scores and climbs up onto the platform. They're docked. That's worth, 8 points for their alliance. It's 24 for the Red Alliance coming out of autonomous as we're down to 2:15 minutes, seconds. Wow, how about that? 2 minutes and 15 seconds of action controlled by the human players. 6905 looking for a cone, and 1771 dances by them and heads back in their community with that power cube, looking to place it on the high platform and possibly build the second phase of a link in their nodes, trying to gain those valuable points associated with linking the nodes together. You see the cones and you see the cubes, you see the rows, the platforms, and the poles. The idea, score as many points as you can, charging up the community as much as you can, getting those electrons flowing. As 5109, the Gladiator Robotics team, now on the low level, trying to link their nodes together. They have done so. They've got 2 right now as 8736 puts another one in the low level. The mechanisms from Marietta, Georgia just scored in the low row for 2 points on the Red Alliance. 8849, the Storm Robotics team, trying to play a blocking maneuver, trying to keep those electrons out of the Red Alliance community. As 5109 dances by, 8736 goes across the charging station. They're trying to score as many points as they possibly can. 1771, the North Gwinnett Robotics team, picks up a cone off of the field, moves back into their community, going to place it atop a grid someplace. As the Blue Alliance still maneuvering around, 8849, that's a charging platform, backs away. That's 9057. The girl team picks up and moves out of their power substation. 5109, electronics flowing below their robot as they move up onto the platform, engaged and docked with the charging station. 20 points for the Red Alliance as it's 10 points for each robot when they get up there. 8849 trying to get up there with 9057. They fell a little bit short of time. That was qualification match number 50 of a total of 54 qualifying matches. And folks, we wouldn't be out here competing today if it wasn't for the help of Georgia Power. And we appreciate everything that Georgia Power does for the FIRST community here in Georgia. You'll be seeing some information on the Peach Pits coming out later about how you can help show your appreciation for Georgia Power as we now look on the screen and see the F1 coming up, leaving its mark, the Red Alliance victorious in that match with a score of 93-8. 93-8. 2 ranking points for a victory and 1 ranking point for scoring more than 26 points in the charge station. Don't forget, if that was your last match, you need to go back and get re-inspected. Also, we need to have a representative from each team